So you want to use an employment contract template. In this video, we'll discuss how to make employment contracts legally binding and how to use them to protect your business. Stick around until the end to find out how to get a free employment contract template. Section 1 of the Employment Rights Act lists the kind of information that you must include in your employment contract to make it legally binding. It is essential that you include this kind of information to also avoid the chances of being sued. When drafting employment contracts for our clients, we always advise them to have the job description as fairly broad because this gives them flexibility depending on business needs. Usually, the salary in an employment contract is fixed, so every month you know and the employee knows what is going to be paid. When it comes to bonuses, we advise our clients to make them discretionary, which means that if you want to pay a bonus, you pay it, and if you don't want to pay it, you don't. If you intend on including performance targets in the employment contract and associating a corresponding bonus with them, make sure to make them very specific. I'm Malcolm Zoppi, a qualified solicitor and the managing director of GZ Legal, a boutique corporate and commercial law firm that specializes in drafting commercial contracts and conducting corporate law work. One of the main things that we see our clients miss out on when it comes to employment contracts is restrictive covenants. Restrictive covenants are clauses in an employment contract that restrict the employee's ability to do something after the employment contract has ended. An example of a restrictive covenant is a non-compete, which stops the employee from competing with your business. There are three main things that a court will consider when determining whether a restrictive covenant that is in an employment contract will be legally binding or not. The scope of the restriction, the duration of it, and the geographical aspect. In regards to the scope, if your business only sells mobile phones, you should not stop your employee from selling laptops. In regards to the duration of the restrictive covenant, you may want to avoid making it last more than 2 years from the end of the employment contract. This minimizes your chance of it not being legally enforceable. In regards to the geographical aspect, if you only operate throughout the UK, you should not restrict an employee from competing with you if they're only doing it in Australia. Thanks for sticking with us until the end of the video. We hope that you will now be able to operate your business with confidence. If you'd like a free employment contract template, see the link in the description below where you can download it now. Please know that this is just a template and it will not be tailored to your business. We always advise our clients to have a bespoke contract that is tailored to them and their employee. If you're looking for that kind of service, feel free to contact us on our website now. Also, if you're keen to find out more about other legal matters that are relevant for small businesses in the UK, check out the rest of the channel.